Imagine you are battling the flu, and that persistent cough just will not let up, making every breath feel like a laborious chore. The constant irritation in your throat can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling utterly exhausted, making you search for any gentle, effective remedy that might offer some much-needed comfort and quiet that cough so you can finally rest. Yes, absolutely. Honey can indeed be a very effective and soothing remedy to help relieving a cough, especially one associated with the flu, offering a welcome respite from that nagging irritation. It is a natural, widely available, and delicious option that many people find brings significant comfort and relief during illness, making recovery a little bit easier. The primary reason honey is so remarkably effective against coughs lies in its unique combination of physical and biological properties. Firstly, its thick, viscous texture acts like a natural coating syrup, enveloping your irritated throat and providing immediate physical relief from the scratchiness and inflammation that triggers coughing. This protective layer significantly reduces the urge to cough by soothing the sensitive nerve endings in your pharynx. Secondly, honey is a natural demulcent, which means it forms a protective film over the delicate mucous membranes lining your throat, further calming and healing the inflamed tissues. Beyond these soothing physical actions, honey also possesses inherent natural antioxidant and antimicrobial qualities, which can contribute to overall well-being and immune support while your body fights off the flu. These combined attributes make honey an excellent choice for purely symptomatic relief from coughs. Using honey for cough relief is wonderfully simple and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine when you are feeling unwell. You can take a spoonful of raw or unpasteurized honey straight from the jar, allowing it to slowly trickle down and coat your throat for immediate soothing action. Alternatively, for a comforting warm drink, stir 1 or 2 teaspoons into a cup of warm water, decaffeinated herbal tea like chamomile, or even warm lemon water, which also adds a boost of vitamin C. It is crucial to remember a very important safety guideline. Always avoid giving honey to infants under 1 year old due to the rare but serious risk of infant botulism, a type of food poisoning. What is particularly interesting, and a testament to honey's effectiveness, is that scientific research has frequently shown honey to be as effective as, or in some cases even more effective than, common over-the-counter cough suppressants. These include medications containing active ingredients like dextromethorphan or diphenhydramine, especially when treating nighttime cough and improving sleep quality in children with upper respiratory infections. This makes honey a compelling natural alternative, offering significant relief without the potential for drowsiness or other side effects often associated with conventional cough medicines. While any good quality raw honey works well, some specific varieties, such as Manuka honey from New Zealand, are often highlighted for their particularly strong antimicrobial properties and higher medicinal grades, though regular raw honey is still very beneficial. So, by simply incorporating this sweet, natural ingredient into your flu management, you can effectively leverage honey's natural coating, soothing, and protective effects. This helps give your irritated throat a much-needed break and significantly calms that persistent flu cough, allowing you to rest more comfortably and focus on your recovery. It is a comforting, accessible, and scientifically supported addition to your home flu relief toolkit, helping you find a little more peace and a lot more comfort during your illness.